Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Travel. Today I'm going to make cutlets, which is the food cravers version. And this video is a Ramadan special, so I'm dedicating this video to all my friends. Let's see the ingredients. 4 boiled and grated potatoes. These are the medium sized potatoes. 1 capsicum, 1 onion, 1 cup breadcrumbs, half cup all-purpose wheat flour, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, salt to taste, 4 cloves. I'm using olive oil here. These are the sticks which I am going to use to make these cutlets, but these are completely optional. You can skip this. Let's see how to do this. First of all, I am pouring 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Our oil is quite warm. First of all, I am adding fennel seeds, and cloves. You don't have to cook a lot. Now I am adding onion. Just saute for 30 seconds and add capsicum. Allow this to cook for 1 minute. You don't have to cook a lot. We need the crunchiness of capsicum, so just for a minute is enough. See, this looks good. Now I am adding potatoes, salt to taste, and mix it well. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce in this to give it a good taste, and mix it well. Why I'm using the grated potatoes here? You can see the texture. See, it's very smooth. That's why. And our mixture is ready. Now we are going to prepare the cutlets. We have to bring this mixture to the room temperature and then we will make it. See, this is our all-purpose flour. I'm adding a little bit of salt here because we have to give some seasoning to this. It's plain. And a little bit of chaat masala, so that it gives nice flavor. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it. And a little bit of black pepper. Add some water to this. You don't have to make very thin paste. Just check the consistency here. See, we need this consistency. Not so thick, not so thin. This is perfect. This is ready. Firstly, I'm going to make the cutlets. Just take a little bit of oil and take the mixture. You can make of any shape, whatever you want, but here I'm doing like this. I'm using this stick because this is very easy in eating and it's look attractive. So I'm going to make it like this. You can also make like croquettes or nuggets, whatever you like. Basically cutlets are without sticks, but this is how I'm going to make my cutlets. And make all of them. See, these are ready. So now what I'm going to do is take a plate like this, put breadcrumbs in this. Take like this, just pour in this one, this mixture, and get rid of the excess one and just put it like this. Coat it completely. See? Like this, and it's ready. Make all like this. And before deep frying, just put it for 15 minutes in the refrigerator. Do with all of this, and then we will deep fry. Now I am adding oil for deep frying. You can use any refined oil for deep frying. Now our oil is quite hot. Here you can see I didn't pour a lot of oil because I don't use the same oil all the time. I usually throw this. I'm going to put my cutlets in this, and we have to deep fry this. One side is done. Now I'm turning it. See, this is done. Now I'm taking it out and it's ready to serve. Here it is. Enjoy with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.